Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to post on Bluesky. So if you also want to post on Bluesky, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bluesky application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once Bluesky application is opened, initially you'll be in the home interface. So in Bluesky application, you'll be able to explore several posts. Also, you'll be able to post yourself. If you want to post something and get connected to the people, it is very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the create icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create a post for yourself. You'll also be able to upload the photo, videos, or you'll also be able to take the photo right in the moment. You'll also be able to post the GIF. If you want to post the photo, simply tap on the photo icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now from here, you'll be able to post the photo. Simply tap on the photo that you want to post. After that, what you have to do is tap on the add option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can also post the video if you want. Simply tap on the video icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now from here, you'll be able to post the video. Simply tap on the video that you want to post. Also, you'll be able to take the photo right away. For that, what you have to do is tap on the camera icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to click the photo. Simply click the photo. After that, what you have to do is tap on the done icon that you can see at the bottom. Like this, you'll also be able to post the GIF. Also, you'll be able to see how people can interact to your post. Right over here, right now, anybody can interact is selected. Simply tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to access the post interaction settings. You can disable the code post if you want. Simply toggle this button that you can see right over here. Also, you'll be able to access the reply settings. Right now, everybody is allowed to reply. If you do not want anyone to reply, simply tap on the nobody option that you can see right over here. After you adjust all the interaction settings, all you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see on your screen. You'll also be able to select the language of the post. Here you can see English is selected. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the post languages over here. Simply tap on the language of your choice. I'm just going to select English. Now you can also write something on the post. Tap right over here. Now simply type what you want to post. After that, all you have to do is tap on the post option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your post has been published. If you want to see the post, simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your post has been posted. So that is how you post on Bluesky. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.